I'm Louise and I'm one of the trainers and assessors here at Entry Education. If you're looking for a career in finance and mortgage broking and you want to fast track the process, then this face-to-face workshop is for you. This workshop will deliver results that can be immediately applied in a competitive marketplace. This is what makes our mortgage broker course different from the rest. It is a balance between theory, industry-based case studies and practical skills. During this workshop, you will learn how to prepare loan applications, identify clients' finance and mortgage broking needs, and gain the foundation knowledge to be a successful mortgage broker. The best part of choosing Entry Education is you have choices. You can choose to do the course totally online, self-paced from the comfort of your home, or you could attend the face-to-face workshop where you will have your facilitator assess your work, guide you through the course and fast-track your career. All you need is a reliable internet connection, laptop or desktop computer. Why wait? Enroll today with Entry Education.